There are people from all over the world that are coming here. So that's a great opportunity to learn and to teach and share your knowledge.
How easy it is to meet and network with not only leaders in the field, but with a lot of your colleagues at different institutions across the country.
I think CHEST is just a great organization where individuals at every level are collaborating, discussing, and we have a great time. So I look forward to the next CHEST, let me just put it this way.
The sessions are quite practical. You are sure to take with you something that you can directly apply to your patients the next day.
CHEST does a very good job in having a mix for the conference where you have a very good amount of educational material that keeps the physician updated.
There's always something for every level of training.
If you want to come to a meeting where you're going to learn some amazing new material, and you'll be able to see some of the cutting edge trends in actual clinical medicine, in research medicine, and then in teaching, then I would say absolutely come to CHEST.
Research is kind of something that it expands the horizons of healthcare, and there's a need of more and more people involving in research.
CHEST really gives me things that I can enact in my own practice to improve patient outcomes and the quality of care delivered.
It's probably one of the few organizations that's really been able to carve out a niche in how do we make learning fun?
There's much more intimate setting, there's more hands-on experience, there's more interaction and dialogue between the participants and the folks who are teaching.
Whether it's new endobronchial ultrasound simulations or advanced airway, just the ability to get some hands-on instruction with some of the leading faculty in our field.
Exposing us to research and innovation. It didn't disappoint, it was massively valuable.
If you want to be in a place surrounded by some of the leaders in your field, if you want to see some of the latest breaking technologic advances, there's not a better conference to go to.
So it's a great opportunity to get involved, to learn, and to kind of pursue this in future.
CHEST gave me an opportunity to present my research, meet people from different walks of life, students, fellows, attendings.
In this day and age, every one of us is looking for their tribe. And it feels like when you come here, you find people that are like-minded.
I think that one-on-one, eye-to-eye, that type of relationship is what makes CHEST special.